we know how to use the for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So to get a clear picture on these loops, let us solve some more examples. And in this, uh, we will discuss how to print 10 to 1 by using all the loops. So if we want to print 10 to 1, then the process is we have to start with 10 and we have to print up to 1. So that's why 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we will find that we are starting from 10 and we are continuing up to 1. So that means the value whatever available before 1 all are greater than equal to 1. So that's why the condition will be greater than equal to 1, and we will start with a value that is 10. So that's why initialization is 10, and the 10 to 9 we will move by using a -1. So that's why we have to make -1. So here the loop whatever we have to apply for is for int. Let me take I equal to 10 instead of n. I is greater than equal to 1 and I equal to I minus 1. So instead of that we can also write I minus minus. So that's why this is the loop whatever we want to print. System dot out dot print ln. Let me write print ln, then I will write how to display on the same line. So this will create multiple lines and display the answer. So let us solve this answer by using the notepad. So I just want to open my notepad. Here we have to take directly public class print 10 to 1, then it is public static void main string args. Let us take curly bracket, then for within bracket we will write int I equal to 10, I greater than equal to 1 and I equal to I minus 1. So instead of that we will also write I minus minus after executing this one. Println, so it is I. Let me save the program on the same location, that is java prg of d drive. So print 10 to 1 dot java. Let me open command prompt. So d colon cd java prg java c print 10 to 1 dot java. So java print 10 to 1. So now we are getting 10 to 1. So let me show this answer by using I minus minus, that is I minus minus control S. So let me clear the screen. So it is 10 to 1. Now 10 to 1. I want to print on the same line, so that's why we will go for, instead of println we will use print. Control S. Now save the file, cls, compile, run. So now we are getting 10 to 1, but I need some space within that. So for that what I will do, add a plus symbol, give a space within double quote, save, and now you will find that it will display on the same location, the same in a single line, giving space. But I want to display something different. I want to display the numbers from 10 to 1 are, and then I want to print. So in that case, since we want to display that message only once, we will write outside the loop as print the numbers from 10 to 1 are. Since it is print on the same line, the program will print the 10 to 1. So this is how 10 to 1 will work by using for loop. Now let me change by using while. So we know that whenever you will go for while loop, the initialization you have to make outside. So what is initialization? This part is our initialization, so that's why we will take this one outside the loop. This part is our condition, that's why we will make this one inside while, and this is I minus minus, we will put inside curly brackets of while loop. So the process of getting this answer is, that is int I equal to 10, then the message if we need, then while I is greater than equal to 1, then we have to print I, and we have to make I minus minus, then curly bracket. So let me change the same answer by using while loop. So here we will go for int I equal to 10, then the statement we need, instead of for we will go for while. So this is not required right now because only condition is required inside while, and this part is also not required. So while, then along with this we will keep this one I minus minus. So here we will put semicolon. Control S. Let me compile the program. So now we are getting the same answer. So this is how while loop works. So if we will use do while, the only thing which we have to change is we have to shift this while along with the end of curly bracket. So Control S. Let me clear the screen, and now let me run the program. So this is how do while and while loop will work. So make a practice of these numbers. We will solve some more examples in the next class. This much for this class. Thank you.